लॉकडाउन के अमल के दौरान पुलिस, मेडिकल या अन्य सरकारी
મંત્રાલય પ્રેસ કોન્ફરન્સ કરી રહ્યા છે। સીકે મિશ્રા છે એમાં હાજર।
लगभग हम उसी जगह पर हैं जहां हम एक माह पूर्व थे, यानी स्थिति बहुत बिगड़ी नहीं है। लगभग 4%, 4.5% लोग जो टेस्ट हुए थे वो पॉजिटिव निकले थे एक माह पहले, और अभी भी लगभग वही स्थिति है कि जितने लोग टेस्ट हो रहे हैं उसमें से जो प्रतिशत पॉजिटिव हो रहे हैं लगभग वही हैं, यानी कि हम एक कांस्टेंट लाइन अगर आप इसको देखें तो वहां पर हैं। अब मैं इससे आगे बढ़ता हूं और हम ये देखने का प्रयास करें कि अन्य देशों की तुलना में हमारी क्या स्थिति है। इट्स अ रफ कंपैरिजन। There can be no one-to-one comparison. Each country is different and each country needs a different strategy. But this is roughly a rough comparison that we have presented before you. What I would like to point at is this yellow line, if I can get my pointer there, right at the bottom. That is India's story. And we have deliberately taken a case of 400th case on 23rd of March. What was the position when each of these country had 400 cases and how they have moved beyond that? So this slide clearly tells us where we stand, and if you see, one of the countries which is of course done better is South Korea. But majority of the developed countries have had a story which is, it could be a combination of various things. This is not to say that we've done extremely well and things are going, but this is the current story. And based on this current story and the future projections, we need to evolve a strategy in this country. Let me also now just mention to you, while we are here on this slide, the fact that how has it happened in some of the other countries. So let me give you some numbers of that. If you look at the figures carefully, we are today at a 500,000 mark. 5 लाख टेस्ट हमने आज किए हैं। यूएस ने 5 लाख टेस्ट 26 मार्च को किया था। They had found 80,000 cases to be positive. I'm giving you rough numbers. इटली ने ये मार्क 31 मार्च को किया था and they had 100,000 people who were positive. 1 लाख लोग थे। यूके में ये समय 20 अप्रैल को आया and they had 120,000 positives. टर्की में ये समय 16 अप्रैल को आया, they had 80,000 positives. इंडिया में ये मार्क 22 अप्रैल को आया और हमारे पास लगभग 20,000 पॉजिटिव केसेस थे। कहने का तात्पर्य ये है कि एक अगर वैश्विक तुलना हम करें तो वी सीम टू बी doing well so far with our strategy which is focused and very, very intensely focused on the areas where we see a lot of positivity and action happening. Of course, there are other countries which have done better. For example, South Korea has done better than this. So, given these facts, these actually, what do they show? These show that our testing strategy has been focused, targeted, and continues to expand.
તો સરકાર દ્વારા છૂટછાટ આપવામાં આવી છે। મોટાભાગની છૂટછાટ ગ્રામ્ય વિસ્તારમાં છે। દૂધ અને સાથે સાથે લોટની જે ફેક્ટરીઝ છે તેઓને પણ છૂટછાટ આપવામાં આવી છે। સમાચારોમાં અત્યારે બસ આટલું જ। મહત્વની તમામ ખબરો માટે આપ જોતા રહો ન્યૂઝ 18 ગુજરાતી। અને હાલમાં ગુજરાતના શું આંકડા છે કોરોનાના તેના પર નજર કરીએ।